Okay.
Just stop and listen. I have a drip coming off of the wall. It's coming out here in a stream now. I mean, it's starting to turn into a river over there.
Oh yeah.
Look up here.
I need some, I need a lens cleaner to wipe this off. It's like a foot below that window.
Oh yeah, we're not too far off.
Yeah.
Should I have word with the kids at some point?
About your kids?
Yeah.
No. They're fine. Although that's pretty funny.
The stream?
Yeah, the river. It's floating this little boat. Like cat boat.
Dude, look at this. Coming in through outfall pipes. Coming in through an old freaking fixture.
So yeah, the water level out there.
That does not seem like a good thing. So the water level's at least at that. If you open this thing up.
It's nailed shut. It is.
That's asking for trouble. He's got a screw down there. Look at this. Look at this stream, Steve. Water will find a way.
So high tide was 15 minutes ago.
You filming stuff?
Yeah. 3:40.
Yeah.
10 minutes ago. 15. Yeah. We're hoping it will recede shortly. Because if it doesn't, well,
Some water.
the water is about a foot below this window. Let's just say it's not exactly airtight, as you can see. Yeah, not exactly airtight. I don't know if we turn the light on. Oh look, there's something floating by. That was pretty good. No. Tough to see anything, but let's just say that the water is right out there. Yeah, I guess I'd give it about 2 feet probably, but it is rising fast. What's going on over here?
Starting to come through that door. Staircase has a leak. See it flowing?
Oh yeah,
Gushing. I don't know if they call it a gusher, but
it's definitely filling in.
what this Norwell boy's used to, this is a gusher. Just listen.
Yeah.
Dude, it's gotta be leaking on the inside of this.
Should we go see the progress?
Flashlight on you?
No, it's upstairs.
Here?
Yeah.
It's running water.
It's flowing in, that's for sure. It's not just, we should,
Just listen to it, listen.
no. On?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and by the way, it's
4 to 1. Is this what you like to see at your house?
3:46 a.m.
Is this what you like to see generally, Steve? Generally, like to see a spigot coming about 2 to 3 feet off the wall.
Generally, you don't like to see that.
That's generally a good idea.
Pretty sure. Yeah. Yeah. No. Well, it's generally not good. Yeah.
We're monitoring this situation closely.
Yes. But it has climbed his deck over there.
Because if all this gets wet,
Yeah.
that's a mess.
Yeah, it's gonna be a mess. Oh. Alright, let's go check the
Cars.
yeah.